Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change your Instagram account password. If you're using Instagram and you want to change your Instagram account password, so let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Instagram app. Here, just tap on your profile option in the bottom right corner, and then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then select account center option from here. Select password and security, and here you just have to tap on change password. Here, select your Instagram account. And here you have to enter your current password, then enter your new password, and after doing that you have to retype your new password. If you've forgotten about your current password, you can also try to forgotten your password option here, and after entering your password just tap on this change password and your password will be changed. So in this way you can easily change your Instagram account password. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.